Logan, get your chili on! Look out, Logan, it's Chili Festival time. Chilogan Festival is on Saturday, 1st of December. Tickets on sale now.
Hi, it's Sandra from Chilogan Festival. I'm here at Polar Freeze headquarters in Loganholme. I'm going to come and have a look at the chill out room. This is Neil's fabulous cold room. It's going to be at Chilogan, as well as having one cold room to keep our fabulous afterburn bar nice and chilly. This is going to be our chill out room. Come and have a look inside. Doesn't look very exciting, I know, but once you're in there cooling off after a hot chilly meal, you're going to love Polar Freeze cold rooms just like I do. So see you at Chilogan, Saturday, 1st of December, 3 till 9 p.m, Beenleigh Town Square. It's going to be hot. Unlike today, it's quite cool and rainy. Bye.
Hi everyone, see you at Chilogan Festival.